my name is Anna, and in today's video I want to show you how I make lotion. This is a very simple recipe and this can be used literally anywhere. It's customizable, so you can make it very light for your face, like a face lotion. You can make it a little bit more moisturizing for your body if you'd like a body lotion. This can also be used for your hair, which is the way that I primarily use it, as a hair lotion or like a hair milk. So I hope that you're interested about how to make this. This is super simple. You need a blender of some sort. So you either need like an actual blender that you would make smoothies with or something, or an immersion blender. I will be using an immersion blender because I find that I think it's easier to clean the immersion blender versus cleaning the smoothie blender after making this product. So you're going to need a container that you want to put your lotion in. I am using this little ball mason jar, and it is 500 milliliters. So for the base of my lotion, I'm going to be using two types of oils here, and I'm going to be using jojoba oil, which is a very lightweight oil, similar to sebum that our skin produces, as well as babasu oil, which is also a pretty lightweight oil, but it's also firm at room temperature. And the liquid that I'm going to use today is aloe vera juice. If you're interested in why I chose these ingredients, I have an ingredient video that you can check out. I'm also going to be using beeswax, and you can buy beeswax that's like in a bar and grate it yourself, or you can use this beeswax that is in pellet form, which is easier to measure out. You don't have to use beeswax if you don't want to. This is going to be acting as an emollient in my recipe. You could also use emulsifying wax. That will help keep your lotion in a suspended consistency. You will also need a container to blend your lotion if you're using an immersion blender like myself. I'll be using this very tall glass jar. So pouring 3/4 of a cup of my aloe juice and measuring out 1/2 of a cup of oil. So it's 1/4 of a cup of jojoba oil and 1/4 of a cup of babasu oil. To get the babasu oil to room temperature, I placed it in a bowl of warm water and then just poured it into this container. I thought that the way these two oils swirled together looked so pretty. I didn't get footage on it because the jar was really hot, but after I poured in my oils, which I'll show you in a moment, I used this same jar to microwave my beeswax pellets in the microwave to make them a liquid. So getting started, I have my container here, and I am blending just aloe vera juice and slowly streaming in my two oils. And after I had streamed in my oils for a little while, I microwaved my beeswax pellets and poured them into this mixture as well, moving my immersion blender up and down. At this point, you could also add a preservative. I'm not using a preservative for this recipe because I plan on using my lotion immediately, but if you want to have shelf-stable lotion, you should use a preservative. I also discussed this in my ingredient video if you want to check that out. I have some preservative options listed in the description box below. So there you go. This is a super easy lotion recipe. It's fairly lightweight in terms of the oil selection, but it offers a lot of moisture and leaves the skin and hair feeling super soft. using this lotion in my hair gives me extremely defined results because of the use of beeswax. You don't have to use as much beeswax as I did. I used 2 tablespoons. You could use less. You could use just 1 tablespoon, and you will get us an even lighter consistency of lotion. Right, so I hope that you enjoyed that process for making your own hair lotion, making your own face or body lotion. It is so simple, so easy, and extremely customizable to anything that's important to you. It's not super expensive. If you want, you can buy a larger container of oil from your local grocery store, or you could buy like gallons of oil online, and that will reduce the price even more for you to be able to extend the amount of product that you're able to make with this method. Nothing is impossible, okay? Absolutely nothing. Anything that you can dream, anything that you think that you're capable of, you can do it. Don't limit yourself by the thoughts or restrictions or boundaries of others. If you have a dream, if you have something that you think that you want to do it. Do it, and don't feel bad when other people don't want to support you. Just navigate and find the people that do want to support you, and see that your dream is something that can be accomplished. Nothing is impossible. Keep trying your best. I love you.